In this lesson, you'll learn how to assign tasks and sequences to your students on the Digitask Web App. To assign tasks and sequences to your students, you need to use the Group Management section on the web app. Once you click on My Groups, you get access to the space where you can assign tasks and sequences. The first step is to click on the Create Group button. Once you click on it, it will ask you to submit a title and some details that describe your group. Once you do that, the group will be listed on the Group Management space. You can edit these details later on. To add your students to your group, you need to share the QR code or the link to the task with your students. Once your students scan the QR code or click on that link, they will be listed in your group. Once you add all your students to your group, you can start using other features. The first one is a cluster. Let's say you have 20 students in your group and you want to automatically create groups of 4. So, you will click on Cluster. You can either submit a number of clusters or a number of students per cluster, and it will automatically create groups. Once you have all the groups, the next step is to assign tasks or sequences. To assign a task to your students, you will click on Assign Tasks and the pop-up window will appear. Now that there is only one student in this sample group, the group range is shown as 1, which means that you can only view the tasks that have the group range of 1. If you have more students, it would give you a list of the tasks that match the number of your group. Once you click on the green tick, the tasks will be assigned to the students after you select some of these options or none of these options. You can plan the task for the future time so that it appears in the student module at a certain time. You can set a deadline and you can send a notification email to your students. Once you click on the Save button, the task will be shown in the student module for the students in your group. You can also assign sequences. Once you do that, it will give you a list of sequences. Once you select the sequences with the green tick, all the tasks in the sequence will be shown, and you will be able to determine the starting time and the ending time using this window. Once you click on Save, it will be sent to the students in your group. Once you assign tasks to your students, it will be shown in the assignments list so that you can track the students' progress and whether they completed the task or not, all in the group management of the Digitask Web App.